Part 3 showing you Music Creator AI. Great for your YouTube video because Music Creator AI makes it a lot easier and faster to generate music for your videos. Now we'll go to genre and we'll look at rock, and we'll go to mood. Mood will be passionate. We'll go to instrument. I want to do a little Jimi Hendrix if possible. Vocal will be male vocal. Okay. Now for the prompt, imitate Jimi Hendrix. I later found you can't use copyright names, it must be original music, and this was corrected later. With guitar breaks and heavy fill-in drumming. Rock, passionate, guitar, male vocal, imitate Jimi Hendrix, similar to All Along the Watchtower with guitar breaks and heavy fill drumming. Baroque, classical, jazz, funky, disco, punk, rock, pop, hip-hop, reggae, folk music, country, blues, industrial, techno. Wow. What style of music do you want to create? Rap, pop, disco, you name it. Geoff Dodd here. As an affiliate making YouTube videos, I was running into copyright issues with the music tracks. But as you can see, Music Creator AI makes completely original music tracks for you. A lot of choices in there as to style of music, and you'll have no copyright issues. Find the first link below this video and take your free trial to test it out for yourself. Just see what you think, see how you feel about it. Look below in the description. I invite you to take a free trial of Music Creator AI.